Hello everyone. Greetings from Oklahoma. This morning I woke up and it was colder here than in Alaska and Canada. And so we're in frigid temperatures that we're not used to. And we can't get out of our driveway. It's got about 18 inches drifted down the driveway, and our driveway is probably a quarter of a mile long. And so then it goes straight up to get onto the highway. And so, you got to go through this big old snowbank. And my husband's out there right now with the tractor trying to dig it out so that we can go to work tomorrow. But what has happened is I had mixed up some resin and I poured a little round freeform type plate type thing and had some extra. And so I keep these 11 by 14 canvases for my granddaughter, Coco, because she comes over and wants to paint. And so I keep these in a pack. I buy a pack of 10. And then when she gets done with them, I go and buy another pack. And so I have these left over and sitting on my top shelf. And so I had the extra resin and thought, well, I'll just pour it onto the canvas and see what happens with it. And so I'm going to stop right here and show you the pictures of the canvas with the gold resin. I mixed a gold pearl powder into a clear resin and poured it onto an 11 by 14 canvas. And this is what we're left with. You can tell how deep it is. In the middle is a lot darker than out on the edges is almost white, where it's clear and just a little bit of the pearl. Okay, so first of all, you can see how deep the resin is in the canvas by the color of the gold. And so it's in the middle where it's the deepest, it's really dark gold. And then out on the edges, it was very light in color. And so this is what turned out. I'm gonna start the video. I tried to do a sunflower and it all went to poop and it was really ugly. And so I just kind of swiped around on it. And this is what we come up with. Can you pour over resin? And so your answer is yes. If you've got a canvas that has resin on it and you hate it, you could just pour right over it. I cleaned this one with alcohol and poured over it, hated it, swiped some of it, did a flip cup, but you'll see all that. Anyways, I'll show you what's happened and then we'll come back and revisit. Thanks for watching, everybody. As you can see, you can pour over, and it dry. This is the painting dry. And I had taken some my flat palette knife and scraped off some of the painting. So I'll show you that video right now. And then this is how it dried. And so it looks really good. I don't know if you can see, there it is. See, the resin underneath is very shiny. And it has a different texture. But it looks like a river. It dried super flat. I'll show you this side. Look how flat it dried. It looks like, I don't know, such a smooth finish. I was really surprised. I mean, it is, I can't get the camera to focus. It's just like a plastic type of, like a sticker was laid over it, or a vinyl sticker or something was laid right over the top of it. I don't know, the finish is so smooth. I was just so surprised. And Heather Mader Art is the one that I was watching a video of hers, Heather Mader. If you'll look her up, she's a really good artist. She does different things, and she had scraped some off during hers. I don't think it was just like this, but it gave me inspiration for this to see what it might look like underneath. But anyways, this is it dry. It's still got a little bit of drying to go right here. But I wanted to show you that you can pour over resin and then resin it again. So with this, I'm going to make it into a planet painting. And I'll probably put a planet here because that's really cool looking. And then there's a piece down here that I like. And this rolly thing here. So I'm going to start another planet painting video, and it'll be these, and we'll call them the gold planets. And there was some people in Guardians of the Galaxy, and they were all gold. And so this is kind of imagining is the planet that is what their planet looks like when you're coming in for a landing with your spaceship, and you come into their planetary system and see the planet from far away, and then maybe, you know, it's got a lot of gold on it. That's why they're gold. It's just the whole thing's made up of gold. And so I'm gonna start that after this video, and we'll go through and do another planet painting and put some nebulae and some planets and a sun, and yeah, turn this into a really badass planet painting. And so I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.